Alright, sound is great. Welcome to the Motor Bomb channel. I gave up riding some motorcycle with some brothers today. My back has been like sore all week, whatever. It's a long story, short story, making excuses. Didn't want to sit in the bleachers all day watching a race. I'd love to go see a race, but not that bad. I'd rather feel top notch. So what I'm going to do today, I got this old Kramer that I bought, real cheap one, pawn shop, $100 special back in the day. We're going to trim some more of this out so that I can get my hand in here easier and access these upper frets. And also, this is a floating tremolo. I'm going to shim the back side here, push it out, throw something in there so that the tremolo will lay flush instead of pulled all the way back and stretching the strings longer, which throws the intonation out, makes the scale of the already, what is it, 25 3/4, 25 1/2, whatever it is, you know, longer, takes more tension as well, and it messes it. I think it messes the intonation up. Like these screws here will adjust your intonation, your string length. And right now, show you that a little more up close. Yeah. So right now, all these screws, a lot of them, like this one is out so far that it will actually hit this here, so I can't make it any longer. Maybe when I pull it up, it'll give it, make the string a little shorter so I can use this here to adjust it a little bit more accurately. That's my hopes. And here's where we'll cut. Right here. I'm going to try right here and cut more of this here out. Do it on the back side as well. So I don't have a very long blade. When you use a one of these thingy bobbers. It's working okay, but I'd like to have flush. I didn't want to have to take all this off, but I think I'm going to. Got active pickups in here too, so a pickup. I'm thinking I might as well change that out while I'm in here. Wouldn't you? That's what I'm thinking. Whew, she's got a lot of juice. You know what? I'm leaving it. You got that much juice, she can stay in. We're losing knobs. Yeah, I got that chunk out. Just a tone knob, who needs that? Got all the tone I need right here. That sounds funny. That is going to be hard to follow on the back side without a longer blade. That was going to be my problem. She's following around. I think I did it rather nicely. That wasn't as bad as I thought it was going to be. You save that to glue it on for originality. Each step's a little process. Got to get something back there to shim it just right. Just knock off the rough edges some. What do we do next? I've had this guitar for, who knows, 15 years or more. And you're really not able to play it, or you're not wanting to play it all the time. And it's because it's not very functionable for you, the way you're built. Then I suggest getting your money's worth. Making it playable. We'll be making it tighter, but I'm not going to clamp it all down till I got it where I want it. That is the shallowest nut I've ever seen. Like everything was shaved off the top of it. Somebody might have tried to modify that before. Imagine that. $100 pawn shop guitar. I want to make sure that doesn't hit or bother me. No. Look at that, man. I gotta set my action and everything. This is gonna force me to do a lot of setting up today, which is just fine. It's just fine. I gotta do the intonation and all that anyway, so I'm gonna set these up a little bit more. A little something extra I gotta add to this video. After I rounded this out for my hand, let me tell you, it makes all the difference in the world. I can get up here and hit these. I got short fingers, so I need all the extra help I can get. And I scalloped this neck, as you can see. I did that all with a rasp, wood rasp. And then my neck was, it was too thick. It made it hard when I had my hand and my wrist around. So I took a sander, orbital sander, and came all the way down and up, and I kept going. And I got a little thin in a spot or two. I know I can repair that if I need to. It's nothing that bothers me, it's just a little thin. You know, maybe I'll build it up with some glue, or I don't know, I'll figure something out. Really don't need nothing now. I just think over time, if I maybe press on it, it'll go right to that truss rod eventually. But everything else is great. A little bit thin here too, but man, it just totally made the whole difference in the world. Now I got a great guitar. It's supposed to look a little bit like Glenn Tipton's from Judas Priest. I love Glenn Tipton. There was a little extra bonus I wanted to add.